What if I tell you there is an industry out there when you can earn 10,000 working 40 hours over 10 years? Sounds crazy, right? But that's an industry of tax preparation, and the opportunity have never been bigger than right now. The tax industry is expanding. Thousands of CPAs retiring, tax law changing, AI is confusing everybody. The demand in tax industry for tax preparers have never been bigger than right now. And the best part, despite of inflation, recession, unstable politics, you always will find clients. I never had problems finding clients, and you will too. And I know what you're thinking. You're probably asking yourself, do I need to be CPA? No, officially you don't need to be a CPA. You need to register with the state and you need to learn how to do it. You're probably asking yourself, is it boring? I don't think it's boring. I think it's very meditative. It's like solving puzzles. Can I even make money in this industry? Yes, you can charge between 500 to 1,000 for tax returns. It takes you 2-3 hours to complete. So now imagine you have one client a year. Over 10 years, it's 10,000 over, say, 30-40 hours of work. Now imagine having 5-6 clients. That's huge opportunity to get extra income or to completely start your own business in amazing, stable industry that is in demand right now. And here how work actually looks like. You get tax documents, you prepare a tax return, 2-3 hours of work, you send it to clients for a signature, they signed it, you e-file and you get paid, and you repeat it. And the best part, it's all can be from comfort of your home, next to your family, or while traveling. And today I want to give you a soft push towards your dream life, toward ability to change your life. I want to remind you of Not So Boring CPA sale on my website. It's 30% off for all courses. And now is the time to change your life. This is the biggest and the only sale of the year. It ends Friday midnight, no exception, no more sales. Now is the time to change your life. And because it's Black Friday, I'm announcing some extras. So everybody who purchases the course will automatically enter to win a coaching call during the first months of the tax season. Also, extra additional any of the courses are launched right now or during the year. So make sure you do it. I'm going to announce the winners on Monday in a shorts that I'm going to post on this channel. So check it out. Have opportunity to win this extra call or have a coaching calls with me during the first months of the tax season. That's going to be very, very exciting. This opportunity only comes once a year. And whether you want to have a job working from home, enter a brand new industry, or getting that promotion you always wanted to have, now is the best time to do it. And tax industry is one of the easiest ways to enter. So with the courses on sale for Black Friday, the extras that I'm giving away, it's a no-brainer. Now is the time to do it. Click the link below, grab your course before Friday at midnight, and I'll see you inside. Let's change your 2025 one return at a time.